Jonathan Lederman from LSS Law, and I'm here today to answer the question of how long does a bankruptcy stay on your credit report? And the answer to that question, like a lot of things in bankruptcy, is it depends. It depends on which chapter of bankruptcy you filed. Now, if you filed a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, which was the liquidation one, where you weren't really paying off your creditors, that will stay on your credit report for 10 years from the date that you filed the bankruptcy. If, on the other hand, you filed a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, which is the bankruptcy where you're making payments to your creditors over a 3 to 5 year period of time, that will stay on your credit report for 7 years from the date of filing. Now, where will you find the reporting of your bankruptcy on your credit report? Probably one of two places, either in the public records section of your bankruptcy, or maybe in the section where you have the individual accounts listed, because each creditor is likely to report the bankruptcy on your credit report. Now, sort of a follow-up question to this is, can you do anything proactive to remove the reporting of the bankruptcy on your credit report? And for that, I'd say in most cases, the answer is no. An exception that I could think of is if the bankruptcy was reported in error for some reason, then I would contact the credit reporting agencies, and you probably could do something to remove that reporting from your credit report. Another question related to this is, well, then once it's reported, is there anything that I can do to rebuild my credit? And the answer to that is absolutely. Once you get your discharge in either type of bankruptcy, there are things that you can do to rebuild your credit. You will not be blackballed from the credit industry. Your credit score will be a factor of what it was before you filed. It probably takes a hit after you filed, but within about 12 months after you file bankruptcy, you will see your credit score increase. And there are things that you can do, like get new credit cards with small credit limits and use your card, pay for it, that sort of thing. And slowly but surely, you will be able to rebuild your credit. You may also see some errors in reporting during the period of time after you get your discharge. There are some credit repair things that you can do either yourself or through a firm that handles that sort of situation. But typically the reporting will stay on there for the 7 to 10 years. If you have any further questions about this, you can certainly contact my office. If you are ready to speak to myself or an attorney in my office for a full-fledged, no cost, no obligation bankruptcy strategy session, please reach out to our office at your earliest opportunity. If you simply are not ready for that, but you'd like some access to some additional resources, or you'd like to watch some videos on some other frequently asked questions, please click on the links that appear below. Again, please take action, because doing nothing will change nothing. I'm here, ready, willing, and able to help you when you're ready.